poem magic. I have already explained the poem and hope you all have comprehended the poem. So come on children, let's move towards the comprehension questions. So tell me, what is the poem about? What is the poem about? The poem is about the magic of a mother. Then, who is the speaker in the poem? Who is the speaker in the poem? The poet, a child, is the speaker in the poem. Who is the poet of this poem? Grace V. Diderot is the poet of this poem. Then, whom does the poet call you? इथे यू बोली ए पोएम रे यू बोली पोएट काहे कहिसंदे द पोएट कॉल्स हर मदर यू whose magic is she talking about? Whose magic is she talking about? She is talking about her mother's magic. Then next question, mother has magic in her dash 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 and dash. Mother has magic in her fingertips, in her eyes, voice, arms. The next question, what makes her voice and smile magical? Mother's soothing voice and attractive smile makes them magical. Makes her voice and smile magical. What does the mother teach the child? माँ the child को कौन शिक्षा दे? The mother teaches the child to be brave, good and true. The mother teaches her child to be brave, good and true. Then next question, which lines in the poem say that the child is growing older and very soon she will go away? Answer, the first two lines of the last stanza. First two lines of the last stanza. I am growing older and soon I will go away. These two lines shows that the child is growing older and will go away soon. Next question, will the mother's magic be everlasting or short-lived? Mother's magic everlasting or short-lived? Answer, mother's magic will be everlasting, not short-lived. Then next question, which magic is better, the magician magic or the mother's magic? Car magic better, magician ro na mother magic? The mother's magic is better than the magician's magic. Next question, who is a better magician, the mother or the magician? Who is a better magician, के mother or magician? The mother is a better magician than the magician. So students, these are the comprehension questions with answers. Read the questions with answers, learn the answers and write in your copy in a good hand. Okay? So that's all for today. See you in the next class with the post reading activities. Okay? Bye. Thank you.